Let's laugh and learn from this handyman, with Kitty hold this by his side.
Hi, we're here for an impromptu version of America's Funniest Handyman, where I'm gonna help my daughters put together a couple of desks that we got from the ye old Ikea. Everybody knows that when you get this furniture, you gotta put it together. Well, one of the best ways to teach your daughters how to think for themselves and how to be handy down the road is to make them put together their own Ikea furniture. Let the mayhem ensue. Wish me luck. Shush. Okay, we're gonna get your hardware. Your hardware is in here. Okay, get on this page and get familiar with the pieces. Okay, now don't take all the screws out yet. You're gonna take out the screws. You're gonna take just the screws that you're using next.
Swing the hammer, turn the screw, cut the saw and stick the glue, shave the shim, clamp the vise, cut once, measure twice.
Vivian, look at the top of these. There's a number on them. You need help with putting your screw together? You need me to help you with that? Yeah. Okay. I'm coming to help you with that. Oh, you already got it?
No, it's supposed to be.
Right now you want to leave it loose because you're going to need to install everything. Like, don't worry about tightening all the screws down right now.
Drill the hole and fill the hole, put the thingy in the hole. Be sure you're having fun, measure twice, cut once. Maybe you can't tell a joke, but when your stuff gets broke, what do? You give Tommy a call, whether it's large or small. There's no project he can't see through. Let's laugh and learn from this handyman, with Kitty hold this by his side. Fixing stuff in a serious way, with a not so serious guy.
Okay, Olivia, what did you learn today?
I learned that these screws are not the screws.
Okay. Vivian, what did you learn today?
Paper is fun to destroy.
Yes. Did we learn? We learned that over tightening screws when you're using plastic parts is not a good idea, right?
Yeah.
And is there anything else that you, the daughters of America's Funniest Handyman, would like to tell the viewing audience? You want what?
Boba tea.
What do you want? What do you want? Do you want boba tea? So with the new COVID-19 restrictions in place, my daughters are headed back to school virtually, and that's why we purchased the new desks. I hope that you guys are all safe in this very strange and awkward time. I hope you're making the best of it. And don't forget, teach your kids how to be handy. So starting your kids out by assembling furniture is a great way to get them to think for themselves, so that by the time they leave for college someday, they won't be lost when they have to put together new things.
Okay, the number one rule: always have your computer plugged in, or you'll die.
Okay, as always, thanks for letting us
bring a lot of experience.
A whole lot of experience. A whole lot of experience. As always, thanks for letting us
bring a whole lot of experience
And a little bit of humor
onto your job site. Hey, do us a big favor before you leave today. Make sure and hit the like button, and definitely leave a comment down below if you have worked on some stuff with your kids. I would love to see some pictures and hear some tales about some of the fun things you guys went through. All right?
Fixing stuff in a serious way, with a not so serious guy.